So alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So guys, I'm gonna be doing a trading vlog for all the setup that I'm gonna be taking for this week. So I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep you guys updated, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna be taking some couple of trades. Once they just get to my POI, I've already done the analysis already, so once they get to my POI, I'm just gonna execute, and I'm gonna show you guys the experiences of how the trade went, either TP, SL or break even. So always back on the game, man. No time to. So guys, as you can see on your screen like this now, this is a GBP USD. So I just want to show you guys some couple of trades that I've analyzed that I'm anticipating that once price gets to the area and we enter. So this is GBP USD, the 4 hours time frame. So I'm anticipating to sell. So I don't know if you're not in my Telegram group, I posted all the setup. So let's just say break of structure. As a smart UT trader, you know how we do it already. Break of structure. Then after break of structure, you expect to put back down to your 4 hours order block before you take your entries. I'm waiting for a confirmation, maybe either a bearish or a bullish engulfing or change of character before you take your setup. So as you can see now, price is getting close to my POI. So I can execute at any time. In less than a few minutes, just an hour, I will be at the office. I'll be going to work, and before I will come back, it will be at night. So I might trigger, I might take entry at any time, and I will show you guys how far it's going. So I might not take entry in your present, because I don't know when price is going to get to that POI. So let's just see how this is just going to be, you know what I mean. So I'm just expecting price to sweep this liquidity on top this high, tap here, and give me confirmation first before I enter this trade. That's for this. So I'm only to sell GBP USD. I think the same thing with let's go to Euro USD, same thing Euro USD. As you can see, same thing, there was a break structure from here. Now this now turns liquidity straight to the other block. There's a breaker block from here, so I'm expecting price to shoot all the way to this area and give me a change of character before I sell off. I know some of you want to buy, but for now sellers are in charge because of the way they're coming to the market, and this is just a liquidity grab of those, should I say early buyers or late buyers. So they just collected that liquidity, and this is corrective. This is not impulsive. This is not the bullish move that we're expecting. So I'm expecting price. I want to short from here. So let's go to BTC. The same thing in BTC. So I'm expecting price to pull to this area. This is for, let's go to 3 hours time frame. I'm expecting price to pull all the way to this area like this around here. Then before I will take my trade, but I don't want to execute like that. I'll wait for a change of character before I trade, or I will have to wait for a confirmation. So let's see how it's gonna be. So let's be active and let's go to USD CHF. So for USD CHF, I'll be buying USD CHF around this area. So I'm waiting for price to tap me in. Not just to tap in, price get it to my POI. I'm waiting for a confirmation before I take my trade. This is 1:3. Yes, we are good to go. So this is now inducement. This is liquidity, so I'm waiting for price to sweep these lows that you are seeing here, then tap into this my area, give a change of character confirmation, then before I will execute my trade from here, and boom, I'm good to go. So this is what I'm expecting, but I don't know, it is what it is. Let's see how this is just going to be, you know what I mean. So when I will execute the trade, I'm going to keep you guys updated. As you can see, today's day 1. Today's what's today's date? 29th of September 2025. And this is in the afternoon. This is about 2:16. So let's see how this is just going to be, you know what I mean. So I'll keep you guys updated, man. Let me get to work. So I love you guys so much. Do it to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. Also share this video to your friends and let them see the experience of trading. That is not easy, but we have to keep doing what's necessary, you know what I mean. So alright guys, I love you guys so much. See you guys at the top, man. One love, peace out, man. So alright guys, as you can see, today's date is this is day 2. So today is 1st of October. First of all, happy new month. I got you guys, man. 1st of October 2025. This is around 12 in the afternoon. So guys, as you can see on your screen, I believe you guys can see it. So I'm on this trade already, GBP USD. So I've sold already. I'm holding on the trade. Let's see how this is just gonna be. Let me show you. Okay, we are losing $7. Okay, we are good. So let's see. It's more like a swing trade. So I entered from this position. And why did I enter from there? Because price has swept this liquidity already. Though there was no confirmation before I entered this trade, but I just want to take the risk. I promise you guys, calm down. I promise you guys, this trade is either SL or TP. This is where my stop loss is on top of this eye. So let's see. This trade is either SL or TP. Let's see what we happen. But why I'm having the confidence that this price is still going to say, let's go and look at USD-CHF. Now look at USD-CHF. USD-CHF has got into my POI already. So if you see what happened, this was the liquidity low. Price swept it and immediately boom. Now this is a good change of character. So this is why I'm not like GBP-USD might say any moment from now. So this is a sharp, good, clear change of character. There was a break of structure from here, and now this is a change of character. So I'm expecting price to pull back all the way down to this area, to pull back all the way to this breaker block. Then before we buy again, there's one little breaker block here. If we go down to like 30 minutes or 15 minutes, one other block, one small breaker block is there. So this is what I'm expecting. So I want to set this limit down in front of you guys. I want to set this limit down. USD-CHF charts. Now let's go to 0.1. Yes. And then go to 1 hour first, 1 hour time frame. Buy limits. What area is that? Area of 0.7959. 79591. 79591. Stop loss. No. I'll set the stop loss myself. Let me draw it. I'm risking $50 on this trade. Well, this loss is very small. It's very small. Okay. No, I want to risk $50. That's about 100 Abby. Okay, let me take this risk and let me see how far it will go. Let me take this risk. So here will give me about my SL area, $26. So if you divide it 0.01 times 2, so 0.2, it will be 26.20, that's 6, that's 12, that's 42. 42. Okay, 0.13. Okay. 0.13. 79591. 0.23. Let me see. It's not much. Okay, no. So 0.2. This is how we are doing it too. We need to calculate that risk because 0.2. Let me try 0.2 first. 5 now. So let's see. $50. And I want it to be under that. Okay, yes, under that low, yes. Under this low. $50. Yes, we are good to go. 50 to target 150. Let me use number to cool myself. Let me leave it 151. So this trade, you are going to see how the way the trade is even running itself. It is even saying that's gathered enough liquidity. That's gathered enough liquidity here before. So there's no need again. But let's leave it sharp because I'm not going to enter like this. I don't know how to trade continuation. If I enter from here now, where will I put my stop loss? No, it's very, very risky. So let's wait. Let's wait. I'm expecting the price to pull back all the way down to this area before we long again. So, but it is what it is. GBP-USD. So we are still on loss, but let's see. Let's keep holding our trade. This is a swing trade. So, as you can see, it's set already. So this is more like the experience. This is day 2. So let's see how this is going to run. I think tomorrow I'm going to keep you guys updated. How far, if it's on loss or profit or anything. But let's see. Let me go to GBP-USD. go to 4 hours. Let's go to 4 hours and let's see what's happening here. So guys, without me not just wasting a lot of time, see you guys tomorrow on this trade. See you guys tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated. Let's see if we're gonna be on profit or loss. I love you guys so much. Peace out, man. One love. Chee. So alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Voila. Today is day 3. Abi? Yes, day 3. Today is 2nd of October. So guys, as you can see on your screen, we are still on the vlog. Let me open my Meta Trader 5. Let's go to trade. We are still on loss, so we are still struggling. So as you can see, this is UPSD. So what you observed yesterday, I entered from here. I told you already, so price went up aggressively and it was these dragons. I know my stop loss was on top yesterday, but I had to increase this risk. Guys, I want to do something crazy, something really crazy, because sometimes before things, if you want things to change, something has to change. You need to do something different for things to change. Now I want to take a crazy risk. The worst thing that will happen, what is the worst thing that will happen? The worst thing that will happen is that we have a huge loss. That's the worst thing. Don't worry, I will still fund it again by God's grace. That's the worst thing that will happen, because most of the times, if you are seeing the way these big banks are manipulating the market, you're not actually a bad trader. Sometimes it's just that they want to take you out before they will move. So I want to take a mad risk on this trade. Now I increased my stop from this high before to here, because later I observe something in lower time frame. Let's go to about 50 minutes. As you can see, there's a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap on top of this side like this. So here is the small fresh order block. There's a fair value gap here. So we might see price. Let's go to 1 hour. So we might see price rally up, sweep these early sellers, sweep them here again, tap into this area, then before we expect drop again aggressively. So this thing might happen. Now why am I having this conviction that something like this will happen? Now let me show you Euro USD. If you look at Euro USD now, you see that, okay, yes, look at the way structure is now. Now first liquidity has been grabbed already. Now these are inducement. So this is more like an inducement. So we might see a push. So this is more like an inducement. So we might see a push up to sweep these highs and tap into this area before it drops. And besides that, there's still a fair value gap around this other block. There's a good breaker block here. So price will just, what I'm thinking is that we might expect price will go up and sweep them then before we drop. So we might sweep these early sellers, tap here, maybe get one little small change of character like this, then before we expect the drop. So meanwhile, as Euro USD will be buying to this area, this stupid pair GBP USD will also buy. As Euro USD is shooting up, GBP USD will also shoot up, and once it gets to that area, once Euro USD gets to this area to tap in for the move, GBP USD might still shoot up and go and tap in for this move and sweep this high, clear them on top of that high, and before it drops. So that's why I increased my stop on this setup. That was why I increased my stop on this setup, just to observe that, okay, yes, anything might happen, so I need to play safe. Highest thing is that I need to increase my risk. For you to have money, increase your risk. Anything that wants to happen should happen. Then okay, USD CHF is moving nicely. I'm seeing it. Yesterday it was higher than this. Now let's go to USD CHF. Now you know that USD CHF, we have the base USD, and for GBP USD we have the quotes USD. Now if GBP USD is buying, USD CHF will be selling. If USD CHF is selling, GBP USD will be buying. Now let's go see what happened yesterday. I believe that most of you remembered what happened. So if you observe what happened yesterday, you will see that I said after the change of character pullback, then I'm waiting for price to tap into this area before I will buy. So immediately yesterday, price tapped here As you can see, price tapped the area, sniper moved up. I was happy when I saw price. Yeah, I was happy. But now look at the useless price now. Still do his thing. No problem. But what I'm still thinking is that I want to take a higher risk on this setup. Worst thing that will happen is that I will lose money. I will lose a huge amount of money. Yes, that's the worst thing that will happen. But I want to take this risk. Now, I'm moving my stop loss from under this low to this low now. Because the way Euro USD and GBP USD, because this buy is valid. Now let me explain why I'm telling you that this buy is valid before I explain what I was saying just now. This buy is really valid. This is a weak. What kind of move is this? This is telling you that okay, yes, sellers are not really yet into this market. They are not in control. Buyers are still in control. So we are supposed to expect a push up all the way to this area before we're going to expect a drop. You get? Now we are supposed to expect a push up all the way from here before we're going to expect a drop from this area. Though the trend is actually USD CHF, if you observe it higher time frame, and looking at it, there's still a good fair value gap around this area. So price is supposed to buy to come and fill this area, tap here and drop. So that conviction of this buy here, buyers are in charge. I will hold this trade. Anything that wants to happen, if anything that happens, that okay, yes, we now let us see price. That price now went down, come down, and so this just say, this will be the greatest manipulation of all time. Greatest. With what I know, it is what it is. But I'm increasing my risk. I'm putting my stop loss under this low, and I'll do that in front of you guys just now. But before I do that, let me explain what I was saying just now. Now, if we are going to see that worst to worst, this USD CHF will not set downwards to this area because the little fair value gap around there. Worst to worst, that after the change of character, will not see full down pullback to this area. Price is supposed to shoot up from here. Worst thing that will happen. So I need to please say that anything might still happen. We might see that they might still drag it to here and all of this before it shoot up. But I need to please. So let me just put it under of this low. So because what I'm still saying that okay, price will still shoot down to this area, because if you look at USD and Euro USD, they are still likely to still go up a little before they will sell. Same thing with this one. Still have any possibility that once those ones are buying, this one will still be selling down to this area. Then before, as this one wants to move, USD and Euro USD will move. So man, need to be smart here. But I'm still holding this trade. Anything that wants to happen, should happen. This is what we call deadlock. Deadlock broken. It is what it is. So let me set this trade USD CHF. Go to chart. I want to increase the stop. I want to increase it now. Put it here. I'm increasing it to about $80. I'm risking to lose $80 on this trade. Then carry this my TP to around here like this. Let me just leave it like this. So this is just be like more like 1:2. So on this trade, actually 1:2 on this trade. I want to take a mad risk because what happened last month, I don't want to allow that thing to repeat itself again. I know this thing is very dangerous because I'm supposed to stick to my rule. But last month I was very unfortunate. So you need to change things in order for things to work, for things to be better. Something has to change if you need improvement in your life. So let's just see. So it is what it is. I'm still holding this trade because at night and yesterday night, if you see these losses, it's because I don't have time yesterday. But let's just see. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow is the NFP. This way. Let's see how it will go. Guys, let me just wait for at least like 1 minute. Guys, do it to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what I mean? See you guys at the top, man. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So let's see how this trade is gonna play out from now till next week or to when it hits TP or I don't know, stop loss or anything. But I want to take this risk. Yes. True. Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see on the screen, today is I think today is day 4 of the vlog, right? So this is 3rd of October 2025. So as you can see, I don't even know what's going on, man. Like, I don't know. Yesterday now, price gave us a good move yesterday, taking out this break of structure. But now I'm just confused. I don't understand what price is doing. I don't understand though. This is a bullish move. I don't understand what all these things that we are seeing here now. I don't understand though. I don't understand. Nah, I don't know what price is doing here. Okay, this was the area that I marked. I knew there was one little fair value gap there. Yes, around this low. So I don't know if that's what's dragging the price down to come and tap into this place. But it is what it is. Then I also took, remember I told you guys, okay, I took another entry, so I didn't show you people. Let me open my mental trader file. I took another entry here and this breakout because normally price is not just supposed to just be running, but at least a little pullback and move and all of that. But see what it's just doing. So I took another entry. Let me show you guys my MT5. So as you can see, red, all red, man. Oh, this is they were blues yesterday. The blues today. Today is 1st day. October. Is today 1st? NFP. Jesus. Today is 3rd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 1st week of October. NFP. Jesus. Let me go to. Let me be very sure. Crew. Yo, Forex, calendar, let me see something. Jesus. Tentative. Which one is tentative again? 22k, which is USD was selling before. Okay, they say it's gonna buy forecast. Okay, they say it's gonna buy forecast. Okay, that's a USD base going to say it's gonna buy, and the other one is gonna say, let's see. This one unimplement rate unchanged. Which one is not tentative? Then this one is starting from 130. Tentative means something that is uncertain, something that is not sure yet. Which one be on? Which one be? What's going on, man? Or more? It is what it is. I don't know, man. Can I pay my cost slippage here? Let me set this bar. Okay, stop on that there. This one more. Let me set this. Let me move the stop loss to this place. See, guys, I'm taking mad risk. GBP USD sell one. I was on profit already, so I think this one I'm gonna bring this one to break even. I don't know. Break even just in case of necessity. Then this one, it's a position that I open $50 here. Okay. So let's the place more safe like that. Let's just see what will happen. Come on, less than 1 minute. This way. NFP tentative. More. Guys, I'm not happy. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm not gonna lie. This is 130 already. Volatility already, no level. Let me check. Okay, maybe it's on hold. Maybe it's on hold. Maybe it's on hold for now. Maybe I don't know, but it is what it is. But I think I heard the news yesterday when they were saying government shutdown in the United States. So maybe NFP might not be active. I beg. Maybe it's the next week Friday, or I don't know, but let's see. So it is what it is, guys. Guys, I'm not happy because the way this price is moving, I don't know. I don't just know. But if this price goes in my direction, today is Friday. Today is the last day of the week, so we are still going to be on this trade from now till next week. So let's see if this price should go in my direction. I'll be very happy. Use the button on the fear. Anything I want to submit up. But it is what it is. GU, what's up? GBP is kind of moving very nicely. It's moving nicely because it has given change of character already. Yesterday, it kind of moved there. I enjoyed it. When I saw this sexy waterfall, I was smiling. But GBP is quite okay. At least it's moving. It's moving nice. But this USD card, a big USD CHF, is what I'm just having issues with. But I don't know. Let's just see how this trade is just gonna be, man. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. I'm not gonna lie, man. It is what it is. So guys, I will keep you guys updated. I'm still on the trade. So let's just see how this is just gonna be, you know what I mean? So it was because of the NAP just now. That was why I said breakable here. I want to put my stop loss back because I might see some funny things. I want to remove that breakable on this trade. I want to remove it. Put it on top here back. $50. Put it on top there. And if NFP is not working, anything that wants to happen, should happen. Why things that I will have huge loss. I want to take a risk. Let's leave it like that. Let's see what will happen. Then for USD card, leave it like that. The USD card like that. The USD card like this. Let's see, guys. It is what it is. See you guys at the top, man. I'm out of here. See you. Today is Friday. Till next week, we are still on the trade. I'll keep you guys updated. One love. I love you guys so much, man. Do well to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. See you guys at the top, man. Peace out, man. Chee! So alright, guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, today is Monday. This is a new week. Continuation of the vlog. So as you can see, today is 6th of October 2025. So guys, you can see after all the whole stress and everything, after all the whole risk and everything, at least it's now paying off. As you can see on the screen now, this is the pair, so we are still on profit. Though after the stress, you remember when I caught this entry from around there, I caught one from here. Then after when price was going our direction with a good clear change of character, now price pulled back all the way and give us a break of structure from here. And now I took another entry from this area. See all the jargons. Last weekend I was stressed mentally. You saw the vlog now. You saw it now. I was stressed. Like last week I was stressed. But I'm thanking God that at least later now it's not paying off. So as you can see, we're on profit. Same thing with GBPUSD. So we are still running on profit. So now let me show you guys my MT5. Let me show you the profit, how far it's going. Enter trader 5. So as you can see, let's go to trade. So you can see how it's going, how it's counting. So we are making about $120 running in profit already. So let's see how this is just gonna be. So what I'm planning to do is that I'm holding these trades from this area down to this low here to take out this CSI liquidity. So after taking, I'm off of the trade because normally we know that this is a retracement sell. So I'll be expected to buy again from this zone. So but for now, this is our own personal concern. So it has not been easy. Man, it is what it is. So let's see how this is just going to play out from now to Wednesday. Yes, let's see. So you see, like you see Euro USD now. Euro USD has moved impulsively. So I'm expecting GU to move impulsively. I don't know what's wrong with GBP USD. So I'm waiting for New York session in the afternoon for this pair to move, because I think the time now is around 10. This is about 10:32. So I'm giving it New York session. Let's see in the afternoon. Let's see if there's going to be an impulsive move on this market structure. So, but it is what it is. Let's just keep seeing. Let's just keep observing. Let's see. I will always keep you guys updated. As you can see, today is day 4. So I've been on this trade since last week Monday. It's not easy. It's not easy. But it is what it is. So alright guys, I will keep you guys updated on this trade. I will keep you guys updated on how far it's going. But let's see how it's gonna be from now to maybe this weekend. Depends. Let's see. And you guys might see that maybe I might take another trade. Depends on when this one is going to hit. This is my TP. Depends on when it's going to take out this low. So you might see me. At least you guys are seeing on my trade history now. You guys are seeing GBP USD selling me there. But I don't want to show that signal yet. I will have to wait till when that vlog comes. Then I will do it. But for now, our concern is GBP USD and USD CHF. So let's just see how this is just going to play out this week. And I will keep you guys updated. I love you guys so much. Do it to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. See you guys at the top, man. Peace out, man. One love. Chee! Alright, guys. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, today's date is today is 8th of October. So 2025. Today's day is it day 6 or day 7 of the vlog. The vlog said able to take. So as you can see, guys, at the end of everything later paid. Yes, all the risk that we have been risking. I'm just coming back from work. I'm just tired, guys. I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie, but I have no choice. I just have to do the video, you know. So let me show you guys my MT5. I'm currently on the trade of Euro GBP. I caught this signal in my Telegram group. So if you're not there, I don't know what you're doing. Let's go to trade. So I'm currently on profit. This Euro GBP executed this afternoon. Now, yesterday, those of you saw USD CHF. That one has hit TP already. Let's go to history. As you can see, 71 and 144. You see? So that one is gone. And currently GBP USD is still running. So it is what it is. At least all the old risk that we took on this trade, the later paid off. Trading is patient, so I'm not gonna lie. Now this is GBP USD, as you can see on the screen. This is GBP USD. So I will caught this signal again. I think when I was at work in my break period, I saw price coming to this area, so I called this signal in my Telegram group. I told my student that once price gets to this zone, they should sell. Let me show you guys. So it is what it is. We are just active like a chip without garlic. But I'm going to tell you guys what I learned from this trade. What I learned. TV smashed. This was when I was at work. Okay, this was the trade that I called. So I tell them that in case you miss the first entry, sell again from this zone. And that was what price just did. Immediately when price got to that zone, price sold off. So if you're not in my Telegram group, I don't know what you're doing. Then USD CHF. Let me show you guys USD CHF. This is USD CHF. This is how it's running. Remember when I caught this signal from this area, but I didn't take the trade from here. I just waited for a change of character because I missed this entry then. People saw how the stress was now. The way price was stressing me and all of that and all of that. And later paid off. So it is what it is. Full TP hit. So we are going to be expecting a drop from this area. We are going to be shorting very soon from this area around here. So we're going to be expecting a drop. But let's see what will happen. Around this area, around here, we are going to be shorting very soon. So let's see what will happen. Let's be active. So but it is what it is. But one thing I learned from this trade, let me teach you guys one thing I learned from this trade. Now, the first thing I learned is that, first of all, you need to trust what you know on the chart. Trust your setup, regardless. Trust your setup, trust your trade. You get me? Trust what you know. Sometimes you need to go hard. Sometimes it's either you go hard or go home. You just have to take that risk. Because I was very convinced. If you watch the day 3 of this vlog, you will see my mood. Sorry, you will see my mood. I was not happy and I was ready to take the risk. But at the end of everything later paid off. So one thing I always keep telling you guys is that have a good risk management. Always stick to your plan. Don't change your plan. Always stick to your plan. Have a good risk management. And allow your trade to run. Allow your trade to play out. Like this trade now, I've been on this trade now for about 1 week plus. 1 week and 3 days. Because I was on this trade last week Monday. It's not every day I did vlog. It's not every day. I missed like 2 days in between. I did not do vlog. 2 days in between. I think I missed one day last week and I missed yesterday. Yesterday I did not do vlog because I was waiting for price to move very well first before I would do a vlog. So but it is what it is. At least you are supposed to learn something from this trade. So this is how we are making money, you know. So it is what it is. If you're not in my Telegram group, I don't know what you're doing. The link is still in the description of this video. So kindly join. Let's make money together. This GBP selling me. GBP has run off for. No, don't bag. Leave me. Yeah. What the GBP stupid pair. See it. I just missed this one entry now. I just missed the entry. Ah God. But it is what it is. It's not that I missed the entry. The entry price left me because I will not trade from here if it's not on this area. So once price just takes out this break of structure, this is liquidity from here now. That place is too low. We'll focus on here. So but it is what it is. Then for the let me just show you guys Euro GBP. This is the end of the vlog. This is the end of the vlog. Remember that this vlog is GBP USD and USD CHF. So this is the end of the vlog. But I think I was thinking about doing vlog, but my next vlog that I will be doing, I think this is for just only Euro GBP. So I will keep you guys updated on how this Euro GBP is going. Maybe before this one will ETP, you might see that GBP USD might have ETP or I don't know. But I will keep you guys on that. But for on this vlog, USD CHF and GBP USD vlog is over. As you can see, USD CHF has hit TP already, so it's remaining GBP USD. Very soon, in due time, GBP USD will hit our TP. So, but it is what it is. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. I love you guys so much. See you guys at the top, man. I love you guys so much.